Hi, I'm Nikki. I'm a self-taught stitcher and founder of the Stitchery, which is an embroidery design studio in Northamptonshire. I've always been creative. My mum and great-grandma shaped my childhood with stitching, knitting, writing and drawing. My dream job as a child was to become an author. It was more difficult to get published in the 80s than it is now. My school and family encouraged me to look at other, more sensible jobs. I worked in the publishing and finance industries for the best part of 20 years. The people are all lovely and I found the work challenging, but I'm a homemaker at heart. After I married in 2010, I started to crochet, sew and knit again, and I found an outlet for my creativity. I found that stitching and creating soothed my nerves and lifted my mood. I was calmed by the gentle repetition of the needle moving through the fabric, and achieving something beautiful at the end gave me such a sense of achievement, and I hadn't felt that in a long while. In short, I suppose I discovered that stitching is great for my mental health. Sharing my work on social media led me to like-minded people, and we formed friendships through our stitches. People wanted to buy my work, which was amazing, but I also used to tell them that of course I can stitch something for you, but I think you could do this yourself too. I knew that embroidery isn't as complicated as it looks, and pretty little designs are achievable by anyone who can thread a needle. I launched the Stitchery in 2017, holding workshops from our little cottage. I was lucky to find a small studio on the Castle Ashby estate not far from home, but I quickly needed to rent a second office to store kits and dispatch orders. It has worked well so far, but online orders have increased, kit numbers have grown, and the Stitchery needs to find a new, bigger home to bring the order dispatch and kit production processes back together again, with a small team to keep on top of those workloads. The last 2 years have been incredible, and it's all because of you, the stitching community. Stitching my designs, sharing them on social media and encouraging friends to have a go too has really built my confidence, and it inspires me to create more designs, teach new stitches and find beautiful new materials to share with you. I have really struggled with depression and anxiety through most of my adult life. I'm learning to manage it now through various methods, and stitching is one of those things that keeps my mood in check. I know I'm not alone in battling depression and anxiety, and I want to share the benefits of stitching and share the friendships that I've made. They've all made such a difference to me. I want the world to be a much kinder, gentler and more inclusive place. Life really does move too quickly, and I know it's a cliche, but I try to be the change I want to see in the world. The Stitchery is a home of light, love and kindness, and the people it attracts are gentle, thoughtful and supportive. And I really want to carry this forward into our new space this spring. So the plan is that the Stitchery will take a large, light industrial space in a former shoe factory in the heart of Northampton. The building is a Victorian design with high ceilings and big windows. The light there is beautiful and it's perfect for creating embroidery kits and teaching workshops. My studio in Castle Ashby is beautiful and I find it super inspiring for my work. So I'm really looking forward to creating something similar on a larger scale in the new building. I can't wait to welcome you to this new, spacious, airy and uplifting studio. I am planning to recruit at least one full-time assistant to help me run the website and dispatch orders so that we can speed up delivery times, and that will give me more free time to work on kit design, online tutorials and collaborations. The Stitchery is known for its embroidery designs in muted colour palettes and antique fabrics, but there is so much more to come. I've got plans for bigger projects and new collaborations. I've put more detail below. I'm really looking forward to having the time and space to develop new projects, but I am determined to maintain the Stitchery as a small family and community-led business. The pledges that you make for the exclusive Kindred Spirits kit, a pin badge, discounts, the tote bag will all go towards making this happen and help me secure the future of the Stitchery in this new, big and beautiful space. It is daunting, but it's so exciting reaching this point, and I am grateful to everyone for their support so far. It really is my dream job. I love creating these designs and I love hearing from you. I'll be sure to share updates of the premises renovation and the kit production as I work, I promise. Thank you for supporting the Stitchery.